Hello students. In last video we learned exercise 15.1 up to 6th question. In that questions second question were remaining to discuss. So let us discuss about second question. Which of the following experiment have equally likely outcomes explained? Equally likely outcomes. This is a new word for you. Let us understand this word with the help of this example only. First question. A driver attempts a start a car. The car starts or does not start. For that, we can say that in the experiment, a driver attempt to start a car, the car start or does not start, we are not justified to assume that each outcome is as likely to occur as the other. It may be that car starts, it may be that car does not start. Thus, the experiment has no equally likely outcomes. Second question. A player attempts to shoot a basketball. She or he shoots or misses the shot. For that, we are not justified to assume that each outcome is as a likely outcome. It may be that she can or he can shoot or not. Third question is, a trial is made to answer a true-false question. The answer is right or wrong. You have done this always, that either or, you put right or wrong. But it may be right or it may be wrong. So, we can say that in this equally likely outcomes are there. Understood? Either right or wrong. We can reasonably assume that each outcome right or wrong. So we can say that equally likely outcome. Fourth question. A baby is born. It is a boy or a girl. Here also you can say that equally likely outcome, because two options are only there, either boy or a girl. Now let us do question number 7. Start with question number 7. What is question number 7? Let me read it. It is given that in a group of 3 students, the probability of 2 students not having the same birthday is 0.992. What is the probability that the 2 students have the same birthday? For this, let B be the event of having the same birthday, then E bar will be the event of 2 students not having the same birthday. Here, you know that probability of E plus probability of E bar is equal to 1. So, we can say that P of E is equal to 1 minus P of E bar. 1 minus 0.992 is equal to 0.008. So, you can say that probability for event having the same birthday is 0.008. In your exercise, 8th question is, a bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. What is the probability that the ball drawn is red? Here you need to calculate total outcome, as there are 3 red balls and 5 black balls. So total 8 balls are there in the bag. First question is for red. probability for getting a red ball. So total red ball are 3. So we can say that the probability is 3 by 8 as 8 is total outcome. Not red. For not red, you can say that 5 balls are not red, they are black. So 5 by 8 is its probability. Now let us see question number 9. In this question, a box contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles and 4 green marbles. Now you understand. First of all, you need to calculate total outcomes. Total outcomes 5 plus 8 plus 4 you need. So total are 17. One marble is taken out of the box at random. What is the probability that the marble taken out will be red, white or not green? Now here you can say that for red probability is 5 by 17 as 5 red balls are there and total outcomes are 17. Second question is white. For white 8 white balls are there. So 8 divided by 17 is its probability. Not green. Now here you need to calculate that total 17 balls are there but 4 balls are green. So 17 minus 4 that means 13. 13 balls are not green. Here we need probability of not getting green ball. So 13 divided by 17 is the probability. Now let us see question number 10. In question number 10, a piggy bank contains 150 paise coins, 51 paise coins, 22 coin, rupees 2 coin, 10 5 rupees coin. If it is equally likely outcome, one of the coins will fall out when the bank is turned upside down. What is the probability that the coin will be a 50 paise coin? Here again you need to calculate total outcomes. Total coins, how you will calculate? 100 plus 50 plus 20 plus 10 is equal to 180. So 180 total coins are there in the piggy bank. Now favorable number of outcomes for rupees 5. Sorry, 50 paise coin. 50 paise coin are 100. So 100 divided by total outcome 180 is its probability. Here you can calculate that. You need to calculate 0 minus 0, 5 2s are 10 and 9 2s are 18. So 5 by 9. So you can say that 5 by 9 is its probability. And second question is for not getting rupees 5. And as you know, rupees 5 coins are 10. So favorable outcomes are 10. But total is 180. So 10 divided by 180 is answer. But you can cut 0, 0. So 1 upon 18 is its answer. Now let us see in the exercise question number 11. Gopi buys a fish from a shop for his aquarium. The shopkeeper takes out one fish at random from a tank containing 5 male fish and 8 female fish. Now you can say that total outcomes are 5 plus 8 means 30. What is the probability that the fish taken out is a male fish? Here we know that 5 male fish are there. So 5 divided by 13 is its probability. Now 12th question. Along with this video, I will send you the photo of this exercise. 12th question. A game of chance consists of spinning a arrow which comes to rest pointing at one of the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7 as I have drawn here. Now These are equally likely outcomes. You can understand. What is the probability that it will point at 8? It will point at 8. Now here total outcomes are 8. 1, 2, either 1, either 2, either 3. So we can say that total outcomes are 8. And 8 number is drawn once only. So 1 upon 8 is its probability. Second question is an odd number. Now odd number. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 1, 3, 4 and 7. So 4 odd numbers are there. So probability is 4 by 8 and as 4 by 8 it is 1 half. Now next question is a number greater than 2. A number greater than 2. So you can see that greater than 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers are there which are greater than 2. So 6 divided by 8. We can divide it 3 by 4. So answer is 3 by 4. Next question is a number less than 9. Less than 9. Less than 9 number. All numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. All numbers are less than 9. So probability is 8 by 8 means 1. Now question number 13. In this question, a die is thrown once. Find the probability of getting a prime number. Here I have thrown a die. In this, again you can see that total outcomes are 1, 2, 3. Backside 4, 5 and 6. So total outcomes are 6. And first question is, we are getting a prime number if I throw it once only, and I am getting a prime number. Which are prime number in these 6 numbers? 2, 3 and 5. That means 3 prime numbers are there. So probability is 3 by 6. That means 1 half. Second question is a number lying between 2 and 6. A number lying between 2 and 6. Between 2 and 6, 3 and 4 and 5. So 3 numbers are there. So 3 by 6. That means 1 half. Third question is an odd number. Odd number 1, 3 and 5 are odd number. So again 3 by 6. So 1 half only. Now question number 14.